Okay, so we want to look at the graph of z equals 1 minus y squared. The first thing I want to notice is there is no variable x. So z equals 1 minus y squared regardless of what x is. So z equals 1 minus y squared. You can almost think of this as, a function of one variable as opposed to z being a function of two variables, x and y. Let me give you an idea what this looks like for a fixed x value. Here you see the three-dimensional figure, the graphical representation of this function z equals 1 minus y squared. If you notice, it kind of has this